They on my knees, dog. Knees. Please.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Fully Bad Gang, with a song called Nah Learn, Demarco this. Nah Learn, Demarco this. Nobody in the comment section tell me about why Fully Bad continue and the war done. No, the war not done. Remember say, Fully Bad it done till they say the war can't done, you know. Remember say Demarco himself tell you say, yo, the war not done, you know. If you don't go watching the interviews and see the interviews what the man them do and thing, them will tell you. You see me? So, we're jumping on and here with this, where Fully I say, cause the war is on. Obviously, they took a little week break the other day, but they're back. Yeah? We say Marco drop theme song where they 6 mil, 15, and call up Fully Bad name night. So, we're there with that one. Then, so we're going to jump in the one and here with the G. I say, let's go, bad gang, let's go.
Team upgrade,
big up.
You want chance, yo, they want to wait 6 million. You want to go for me, say with them. You know much me put in a dance hall.
Batty boy stop you chatting. Boy you want 6 mil fi come clash me a sting. Him crave me and fuck you man carry that twin. 2 weeks.
Batty boy stop it chatting. Boy you want 6 mil fi come clash me a sting. Crave your fuck. Him man call it that twin. Move, you're too greedy. Him man say you're craving. You're too greedy. Yeah, belly long, stocking foot belly. The man say your belly now no butter. Why? Let's go. All right. Him never said that. Still, me. I said that him something. The Marco. Him never said that him something there. But the man I say, yo, brother, cut your fuckery about your 6 million. But if the GSM wants 6 million and 6 million, we can't fight him. See? Let's go.
Batty boy stop you chatting. Boy you want
Again.
team upgrade. Team upgrade.
How you want chance, yo, they want to wait 6 million. You want to go for me, say with them. You know much me put in a dance hall.
Batty boy stop you chatting. Boy you want 6 mil fi come clash me a sting. Him crave me and fuck you man carry that twin. 2 weeks fi answer and that you go sing.
2 weeks for answer. You take 2 weeks for answer, Marco. True, you take long for answer them Fully Bad last song. And 2 weeks you take me G. Wagwan. But at that you go sing? Come on. That's where the G said, not me.
You man carry that twin. 2 weeks fi answer and that you go sing. You could do fuck me baby mother brother man chat fucks. I say what me a motor be a mag got a job.
The man said, brother, you couldn't fuck me baby mother, brother. Stop. Talk facts, brother. Stop capping in your rap. Fully I said, Demarco, stop capping in your bum buckler rap. Nobody no believe you. The first couple song people they believe you. No, nobody no believe you. That's what Fully Bad say, not me. Not me.
Me a fuck you man carry that twin. 2 weeks fi answer and that you go sing. You could do fuck me baby mother brother man chat fucks. I say what me a motor be a mag got a job. Mr. Roach, Mr. Rat, all couple pussy cat mount a crutches so you ma be a fuck rate chat.
Man say be a insect in your mouth. You are infested. You are infested. From maggot, from fly, all rat. Everything. All puss. Several pussies. Him say jump out of your mouth. Rude.
You could do fuck me baby mother brother man chat fucks. I say what me a motor be a mag got a job. Mr. Roach, Mr. Rat, all couple pussy cat mount a crutches so you ma be a fuck rate chat. One of that car rush me. Put she up in your face when she dep on her monthly. Shoot.
Marco.
That job, Mr. Roach, Mr. Rat, all couple pussy cat mount a crutches so you ma be a fuck rate chat. One of that car rush me. Put she up in your face when she dep on her monthly. Shoot.
And say girl up in your face when she dip on her monthly. When she live up her Red Hills, I forward from Red Hills, we go back up her Red Hills. Yeah, she dip on her monthly and she up in your face, brother. She sit down in your face. Settee, hassock, chair, bench, stool, seat. On her monthly.
A job, Mr. Rush, Mr. Rat, all couple pussy cat mount a crutches, so you ma be a fuck create chat. None of that can't rush me. Put she up in your face when she dep on her monthly. Shoot out the pussy, you dead fi hungry.
Yo, fuck
Team
you.
upgrade.
Fully bad, fuck you, my youth. Yo, stop your fuckery, dog. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sorry to interrupt your video. We're here with another promotional deal. So this deal is running from the 1st of December to the 31st of December. So make sure say, wanna link me in my DMs, Jamaica_words_gamer for your chance to have your channel, to have your music video or audio on this platform. Link me up. Serious artists only. You understand? I feel like Santa Claus, cause it's a December now and a December month. I feel like Santa Claus.
Hey, no mix me with Santa. I be a gun, I be just sponsor.
Alright. Back to the video. The war not done.
Batty boy, stop you chatting.
The war not done.
6 mil fi come clash me a sting.
The war not done.
crave me a fucking man, carry that twin.
The
Go
war
with
not
the
done.
answer, and that you go sing.
What?
You could do fuck me baby mother brother man chat fox.
Yeah.
I say whoop me a mouth a be a mag got a job.
Chat.
Mr. Rush, Mr. Rat, all couple pussy cat
Yeah.
mount a crutches, so you ma be a fuck create
Yeah,
chat.
chat.
None of that can't rush me. Put she up in your face when she dep on her monthly. Shoot out the pussy, you dead fi hungry. Me nah no love but the AK you lovely.
The man shoot out the pussy out of your mouth. You're dead, you're hungry. Your diet, your daily cuisine, your daily meal, your daily diet is gone. That is what Fully Bad is saying. Yeah, that is what Fully Bad is saying, Marco, you can't say the one done and take 2 weeks for answer the G still. I don't like that.
Create chat, none of that can't rush me.
Rush me.
Put she up in your face when
But
she
she
dep on her monthly. Shoot out the pussy, you
Yes,
dead
that
fi
be
hungry.
hungry.
Me nah no love but the AK you lovely.
Move.
Spin barrel no stick, grabbing dopey. Left them black think like Alice bucket. On no tail and
This bad. That song is bad. Wow, wait, what? 44 seconds a night. This bad. Marco, you need to answer that song, bro. Like promptly, like yesterday, you need to answer that song, bro. Man, them left your end stink like Alice bucket. Remember Alice the crab lady? Left your
barrel no stick, grabbing dopey. Left them black think like Alice bucket. On no tail and me go my badness of it. While she mark a carrying pussy.
and I tell her me go for me badness not fit. For him badness not fit, I'm tell her say, yo, listen, him bad long time. Bad back at that. For him badness not normal, he not fit. Wall Marco and Wall Shimako and carry him go see cause him a fish, him a go let him go out there. I'm gonna kill him and let him go out there. Skill.
On no tail and me go for my badness of it. While she mark a carry him pussy. Tire black pan him foot and dash him out a deep. Me nah no more binds to go waste this week. Wait.
Nah, no more binds to go waste this week, brother. Like, come on. Me just say as a waste bind. Carry out a sea, you know, get couple black tie to tie for your foot, the man just let you go out there. Drown.
Black pan him foot and dash him out a deep. Me nah no more binds to go waste this week. 18 dopey panny 18C. I want to she mark a freak. A pussy them love run must see sub we a surf man a touch clear dirt as some more be a rock.
Bumbo clap. It was a chop.
18 dopey panny 18C.
Him a chop.
I want to she mark a freak. A
Him a
pussy
chop.
them love run must see sub we a surf man a touch clear dirt as some more be a rock. Me nah no sense and me friend them rest can't
Rest.
bad up the dan you only bad for your girl. Rifle if up and
You can't bad up the done, brother. Remember say, yo, a lady badness you have, you only bad for your girl, brother. You're only bad for Terrian, that's what your name, right? You're only bad for Terrian. Remember say you're not bad? That's what the G said. Not me, no, brother, not me.
some me friend them rest can't bad up the dan you only bad for your girl. Rifle if up and circle your turf. Face palm merge, cuff in a rest.
Rifle lift up and circle your turf, face palm merch, face up on the button. I have a couple of buttons on my jaw still, big up my grandmother. Face palm merch. Yeah. R.I.P.
Rifle if up and circle your turf. Face palm merge, cuff in a rest. Sweet singing in a church. School still a keep and the pussy them no learn. Go and chat.
School still a keep on them pussy and learn. Like, brother, you just born big or something. Why, you can't learn? What happen? You don't learn. Eh? You don't learn say, I the wrong man you fuck around with, eh? You go find out, you know? You go find out. Pull up! Yo! No, not pull up. A joke. Let's go.
Sweet singing in a church, school still a keep on the pussy them the land. Go and chat and laugh till me bring the lava. Pan belly big but the 16 marker.
You get that play there? You don't get that play there? Go and chat and laugh till me bring the lava. Chat and laugh from lava. Big up lava sound, big up lava. Go and chat and laugh till me bring the lava. Wicked comparison, wicked. Yo, that bad.
Yes.
So far, my favorite part in the song. Go and chat and laugh till me bring. It's simple, but it's effective in this war. It is effective.
Sweet singing in a church, school still a keep on the pussy them the land. Go and chat and laugh till me bring the lava. Pan belly big but the 16 marker. Me nah no done, me nah live by harder.
Pan belly big but the 16 marker. So the rifle itself, marker, but the pan belly, the magazine, big, broad, heavy.
Pan belly big but the 16 marker. Me nah no done, me nah live by harder. Me coulda make you dead over Mrs. Haga. But sleep on floor and the Jeep on tour.
Could I make a dead over Mrs. Saga? Hey boy, what you talk about sleep on floor? You come and tell man sleep on floor when me forward to Canada and I get up and sweep out house. Come and see, hey boy, how you ramping? This me, hey boy, could I make a dead over Mrs. That's what it is, not me.
Me coulda make you dead over Mrs. Haga. But sleep on floor and the Jeep on tour. Party now keep but me keep clock load. Keep that close. Marco coulda live in a Jesus close. Sweet.
You coulda live in a Jesus top pocket pussy. Yeah, get it. Marco, you coulda live in a Jesus top pocket. Yeah, get it. That's what the G said, not me.
Keep clock load, keep that close. Marco coulda live in a Jesus close. Sweep which house, yeah, idiot pussy. Giant in the game and a rich like fooling. The whole world sits here afraid of the juvie. Stop one up crime and you know you not do it.
Man, to stop one up crime with your friend, them doing a go like how you do it. The whole world knows so you're afraid of me. The whole world knows so you're afraid of the juvie. Hey boy, Marco, that's what the G said, not me.
Close, sweep which house, yeah, idiot pussy. Giant in the game and a rich like fooling. The whole world sits here afraid of the juvie. Stop one up crime and you know you not do it. Batty man, the bulldog no carry granny teeth. When you want my baby sit and we are lucky straight. Go on.
When you want my baby sit. Remember you come on live and say you have to bring your daughter them go to school tomorrow morning, you know. Remember you have to do school running, you know. So when you own my baby sit, we're up and ready to do the crime. The street is not meant for everybody. That's why you have to stay home. That's what for the bad I said to you, Marco, not me.
The bulldog no carry granny teeth. When you want my baby sit and we are lucky straight. Go and play keyboard, drink coffee tea. Your baby mother poochie, I saw I got to see it.
Bombard, him get a next name now. And I tell you again, see, when you can't say the boss I live on the same name. Marco, you have to go find a new one of fully bad them girl a new name or something. Man find one for your Poochie, he be mother Poochie. Yeah, the man say when you home I play I play keyboard and I drink coffee tea, cause I remember see you're addicted to caffeine. Yeah. Man say when you home I do that, what Poochie do?
Go and play keyboard, drink coffee tea. Your baby mother Poochie, I saw I got to see it.
I got seed, I don't know mango seed. I don't know mango seed, I don't know apple seed. She got a ball. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, keyboard, drink coffee tea. Your baby mother Poochie, I saw I got to see it. Darkness, man, I hear that. We don't have to chat it, man, I hear that. Bodies in this, man, I hear that. No boy no fuck up, man, I live out. I hear that. No boy no go run no badness. Cassava piece, Glen Jive. No boy. No boy.
Yo, Bombo Clat! Hold on. Let me dissect. Let me explain. Big up everybody who follow the channel, who subscribe to the channel. The analyst, the YouTube studio, yeah, we can't call a big word there. YouTube studio tell me say, yo, 71% of on watch the video, them don't subscribe. What am I doing in a life? Remember, say me a good youth, you know. Anyway, let's dissect. Demarco, you have to answer this. This bad. This bumbleclat bad, brother. Yeah. See a warrior, brother. Low share no alone. See a warrior, brother. See a warrior, dog. See a warrior, bro. A fully bad time now, dog. A fully bad time. Low share now, bro. Actually, don't allow Shane. It's too late now. You don't call Shane a name. I wish Shane a previous song, so you don't know the war is in the air. But the boss I tell us say, yo, listen, brother. Nobody come. Don't run a sting. Don't run forward. The man say forward about 6 mil. Where at? If you catch a little juvie, you want 6 mil? Eh? Then I say you're afraid. That's what it is. Not me. Yo, this bad. Me like it. This bad. This bad. This hour my favorite from the Clash start. The Clash is back. The Clash is fucking back. Never you underestimate your opponent, dog. Never you underestimate your opponent. Fully bad, big up your bumbo cloud self. Fully bad team, big up on yourself. Team upgrade, big up on your bumbo cloud self. Demarco, you not learn. Eh? School still a keep you not learn. Anyway, this one I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one and want to see more from your G, subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel so when I drop a video, you know, dog. Hit the notification bell. Me know say every YouTuber say that, but me I beg you, please. Play on my knees, dog. Knees. Please. Please, my God.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.